Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tinder. It's a quick tutorial. So you just have to make sure that you have already downloaded the Tinder application in your mobile. And if you have an account, it's very easy to create an account. All you need to do is add your phone number, your email address to sign up. Now once you have created your account, tap on this. And if you have already account, tap on this, continue with Google, select your Gmail and it will log you in. So after logging in, first of all, we are going to move on our profile page, which means to complete our profile. When we come to our profile page here, first of all, you have to fill in all of your details and add your photos. Tap on the edit icon here. You can add or remove photos over here. I always recommend use a real photo so that you can verify yourself later on, and then you can actually differentiate yourself from the crowd, and then after that you can turn on smart hot photos so that Tinder is going to detect which photos are actually going to work best for you. And when most people swipe to right, when they actually went ahead and liked your photos, then after that you can see about me section here. You can see interest, you can see relationship goals, what you are looking about in this Tinder application, what you are actually looking for. Then you have the more about me, such as education, height, languages, basics, and all these things. You want to fill out about your lifestyle, your job title, your living in your Instagram profile and social medias, and then you want to also enter your gender, your profile, you want to show your age and note. That's totally up to you. Now these are some of the privacy settings only, and the other thing, which is the main thing I'm going to explain, there is also four versions of Tinder. One is the free version and one is the plus version, which has certain amount of fee. Either is the Tinder gold version, as you can see over here, and the Tinder platinum version basically. So you have Tinder gold, Tinder plus and Tinder platinum, depending upon which option is convenient for you. As you can see here, you can get a premium, but you can actually still make use of the free version, because I'm going to tell you how you can do that. Now next thing is to find a match for ourselves. So now you have created your profile already, you have made your awesome profile, you have uploaded different type of photos that you think people are going to like it. Then the next step comes when somebody matches with you. Now on Tinder, it's not how it's going to work, like how it matches. Just because your goals and everything match does not mean YouTube does not match. You both have to like each other, and Tinder is not going to let you know who have liked you unless you subscribe to their premium version. Now this is a little bit sketchy part in my opinion, but I just think that everybody wants to make money, so it's acceptable. But you will not be able to figure out who has liked you unless you pay for the premium version. Over here you can see that there are some specific profiles. As you can see here, what you want to do is, if you swipe left, it means that you are not interested in this person. You can see no, right? If you swipe right, it means that you interested in this person. So you have to understand that this person is not going to be able to go ahead and then actually be reminded that you have like, unless they have premium version. If they like you back, it means that you both can match up, and the only you can message each other, only you have liked each other, you should be able to message each other. Because if you have not liked each other, you will not be able to go ahead and then message each other. So you just have to keep those things in mind. So come back, just scroll the profile, tap left or right to view more profiles. If you like them, that's fine, you can. If you don't like it, just hit them no. And then over here you can also see this, there is also no option over here. Now it says that if you have run out of people, basically swipe left to everybody. I don't really use it, I only make it for tutorial purposes, but to show you guys, this is simply how it works. When they like you back, coincidentally they see a picture and they scroll to Tinder, you should be able to get a notification that says these people have liked you over here, but you are not be able to see their photos. It's kind of blurry because this is a sketchy part from Tinder. You have to get the premium version. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to use Tinder. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.